Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and today I'll be showing you guys a fall decorate with me video. I absolutely love fall. It's my favorite season and I love to decorate for it as well. So I'm so excited to show you guys this video. It's also awesome because I got a lot of this stuff from the Dollar Tree, 99-cent store, Walmart, and Michael, so everything was very affordable, and I'll show you where I got everything from. I did my living room and dining area as well as my beauty room and office, so if you guys want to go ahead and see what I did, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off in my beauty and office room, and I have this little gray couch here, and my sweet little cat Bella was sitting there, and I had to show a little clip of her because she's so adorable. But we're starting on the side of the room, just my little desk area, and in this room I have a lot of white, gray, silver, champagne colors, and accents of mauve and rose gold. And so I found these really cute, adorable pumpkins from the 99-cent store. So I have that glittery one on the left, and then I have the chunky glitter one on the right, as well as these little silver, shiny, metallic ones. And I just thought they were so adorable. They were only 99 cents each. So I went ahead and arranged those like so, and I thought it looked so glam, so adorable. But not too much, and it definitely went with the rest of the room. So I love how that turned out. You see it right when you walk into the room, so it definitely puts you in the mood for fall. Then on the other wall I have my vanity area, and I'm taking out another one from the 99-cent store as well as a small gold one from Walmart and the third of the 3 silver ones from the 99-cent store as well. So I'm just arranging them here, and I liked the little tear effect. And again, just loved how this turned out. With the lights, you can tell it's just so shiny, and I can't believe they're only 99 cents. So again, just had to add a little touch of fall since I'm in this room a lot. So now we're in our little dining area right outside of the kitchen. We just had a square table, so the first thing I'm going to do is take away this centerpiece, and then I'm going to add this runner. It's this beautiful orange velvety feel runner, and I absolutely love it. It's the perfect type of orange that I'm going to have accented throughout the entire house. Then I'm taking this Bath and Body Works, I believe it's like pumpkin spice latte candle, and taking this leaf garland that I got from the Dollar Tree a few years back. And to set the fall mood, I wanted to go ahead and light that candle, so I just put the top on the bottom of it so it didn't get on the runner. I rearranged those leaves and then just used a lighter to go ahead and light that candle. And you guys, it smelled so amazing. Fall candles are the best candles, hands down. And as you can see, it just adds this beautiful coziness and warmth to our dining area. It's nice and simple, but it still has that nice fall feel to it, while still looking really nice to go with the rest of my furniture. So now this is my living room. The first thing you saw there was this little stuffed velvet pumpkin, a white pumpkin from the dollar spot a couple years ago. So I just put that on our little tray on the center ottoman. And I found these 2 pillows from Marshall's as well. Both of them are $24.99. If you haven't seen my fall decor haul, it was my last video. I'll link it down below. And that's where I talk through where I got all this stuff and how much everything was. But as you can tell, I'm just sort of rearranging all the pillows, trying to see what looks best. I never have color out here, so it was definitely foreign to me, but it eventually looked absolutely perfect. I loved it, and it matched identical to that runner in the dining room. Now we're going over to this fireplace area. I'm just going to go ahead and switch out these white roses, and I'm using these flowers I got from Michael's, this beautiful orange peony bush, and they're just so adorable. Something simple like that can really change the feel, and it really added some warmth and coziness, and I loved the way it looked. By the way, I know these wires are so ugly. We're going to be getting them hidden soon. We just can't do it ourselves, so we've been putting it off. I'm also adding this orange pumpkin that I got from Walmart a few years back that was only like 99 cents as well. So I really like how that turned out. And now on the bottom, sorry the little camera's shaky, I'm adding these Michael's pumpkins. Again, showed them in the haul. I got them half off. I got 2 orange and 2 white. I like them because they look pretty realistic, like a real pumpkin. So I'm just going to take off those tags there. So now I'm going to do a little DIY. I got this little silver lantern from Walmart. And this candle I just popped in there as well, that I've had for a few years. It's just one of those fake candles that have like a little battery operated flicker on there. And I also have this bunch of flowers that I got from Walmart a few years back, and I'm taking the more orange ones because there's quite a bit of yellow and like wine colored flowers in there. I skipped those for now. I'll use those later, but I just snipped off some of the orange flowers that I liked, broke them off, and then popped them onto the bottom of the lantern to add some color, of course, and some texture and depth. So I really liked it. I also grabbed some of these maple leaves as well, since I had those in the dining area. So I'm just going to arrange those. You don't have to do anything crazy. Nobody's going to pay too close attention, but I just popped those in there, and then I put the candle right back into the center and closed it off, and it looked so cute, you guys. This was so cheap, and I thought this would be perfect for the fireplace, so I went back to the fireplace area and switched out one of the pumpkins for it. So I took that away and ended up putting the big orange pumpkin somewhere else. So as you can see, I'm switching the orange one with the small white one, mixing it all around. That's basically how things go when I decorate. But as you can see, I'm putting this big orange pumpkin right there under my side table by the couch, again to add that orange to go throughout the room. And that's how this living room turned out, and I really, really love it. So then over here by my kitchen, there was no flowers in this vase, but I went ahead and added those maple leaves. I also got them from Michael's, and they're so adorable. I then added another pumpkin candle from Bath & Body Works. And I had just like a normal silver candle holder that I've had for a few years. Lit that, and again, smelled so amazing. I still had the other one going, and it smelled like fall, you guys. And I love the flicker of the candle as well. So now we're going over right outside my kitchen on the side. I keep some cookbooks here, and I just switched off with this fall magazine that I have. It just says Fall Baking. It's pretty old, but I love the cover. Then I have this pumpkin cookie jar I got from Walmart a few years back. I'll definitely have to make some cookies soon. Then I grabbed this mason jar. I believe I got it from the 99-cent store a few years back as well that we've had, and grabbed the leftover Walmart flowers and just put them in there. And I thought it was like the perfect amount of flowers for that vase. And I went ahead and just put that little centerpiece right behind the pumpkin and rearranged things, and it just added again some more coziness and color to the area right outside the dining room. So that's how it turned out. I love it, and it really went with the dining area as well. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys how the final look was with the lights off, because that's when I absolutely love the room. I added these twinkle lights from the 99-cent store, put the fire on. I also added this little silver pumpkin on the top right there that I've had. It was from the Target dollar spot a few years back for like $3. And I really think that it finished the mantle look. And everything just turned out so great. It was so affordable and so easy to do, and it really transformed the whole house, which I really love. Now all I need to do is get those mini pumpkins, the orange and white pumpkins from like Trader Joe's, and scatter them out throughout the house, and I think it'll be perfect. So I'll add some more on the fireplace, on the dining table, maybe on this ottoman and the kitchen area. And then I think it'll finally be complete. But it's a little early for that, but just know that I'll be getting that. And here's Bella. She is so adorable. I had to show her again. And of course, this fire is giving me life, y'all. This is also my office and beauty room at night, so I thought you guys may want to see that. I love how it looks every time I walk in here. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos. I'll be doing one for Halloween soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.